వెల్కమ్ టు మ్యాథ్స్ అండ్ టెక్ బై విఎన్కే యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్. ఈ వీడియోలో ప్రీవియస్ పాలిసెట్ ఎగ్జామ్లో మ్యాథ్స్ సబ్జెక్ట్ నుంచి ప్రోగ్రెషన్స్ టాపిక్ పై అడిగిన ప్రాబ్లమ్స్కి సొల్యూషన్స్ కనుక్కుందాం. The question is 1, minus 1 by 2, 1 by 4 are in GP, then find 8th term. From the given geometric progression, first term T1 is equal to A, which is nothing but 1, that is the first term, and second term T2 is equal to minus 1 by 2. The common ratio R is equal to T2 by T1, which is also equal to Tn by Tn minus 1. So the common ratio R is equal to T2 is minus 1 by 2, T1 is 1, so common ratio is equal to minus 1 by 2. The nth term in geometric progression is Tn is equal to A into R to the power of n minus 1. So we have to find 8th term. So n is equal to 8. So T8 is equal to A is 1, R is minus 1, whole to the power of n minus 1, that is 8 minus 1. This is equal to minus 1 by 2 whole to the power of 7, which is equal to minus 1 by 2 power 7. 2 power 7 is 128. So this value is minus 1 by 128. So the correct option is 3. Next question is 4, 7, 10, and so on are in AP, then sum of 15 terms is. In given arithmetic progression, the first term T1, which is equal to A, is equal to 4, and the second term T2 is equal to 7. The common difference D is equal to Tk plus 1 minus Tk, or we can also write common difference D is equal to T2 minus T1. T2 7 and T1 is 4. Seven minus 4 is equal to 3. So that is the common difference is 3. The sum of first n terms of arithmetic progression is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So for first 15 terms, sum of 15 terms, the n is equal to 15. To find sum of 15 terms, substitute n is equal to 15. So S15 is equal to n by 2, 15 by 2 into 2a. 2a is 4 plus n minus 1, that is 15 minus 1, d is 3. So which is equal to 15 by 2 into 2 into 4, 8 plus 14 into 3 is 42. So which is nothing but 15 by 2 into 50, so 225 times. So 15 into 25 is 375. So the correct option is 3. Next question is 10th term of AP, 13, 8, 3, minus 2, and so on. The nth term of arithmetic progression is Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into d. So the first term A is equal to T1, which is equal to 13, and the second term T2 is equal to 8. The common difference D is equal to T2 minus T1, which is nothing but 8 minus 13. So the common difference D is equal to minus 5. In order to find 10th term, n is equal to 10. So substituting the values of A, D, N in Tn, then T10 is equal to A is 13 plus N is 10 minus 1, D is minus 5. So this is equal to 13 plus 9 into minus 5. So this is nothing but 13 minus 45, which is equal to minus 32. So the correct option is 1. Next question is which term of the GP root 3, 3, 3 root 3 and so on is 729. given the nth term of geometric progression Tn is equal to a r to the power of n minus 1, which is equal to 729. We have to find the n value. The first term in given geometric progression is T1 is equal to a is equal to root 3, and second term T2 is equal to 3. To find common ratio, r is equal to tk plus 1 by tk, which is equal to T2 by T1. So T2 is 3, T1 is root 3. The numerator 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3 divided by root 3. So root 3 get cancelled. So the common ratio r is equal to root 3. Now substitute a and r values in this relation. A r to the power of n minus 1 is equal to 729. So root 3 into root 3 to the power of n minus 1 is equal to 729, which we can write as root 3 into root 3 whole to the power of n divided by root 3 is equal to 729. So root 3 get cancelled. So root 3 whole to the power of n is equal to 729. Root 3 is nothing but 3 to the power of 1 by 2. So 3 to the power of 1 by 2 whole to the power of n is equal to 729. So 3 to the power of n by 2 is equal to 729. Now find the factors of 729 in terms of 3. So 3, 243 and 3, 81 and 3, 27 and 3, 9 and 3, 3. 3 is multiplied 6 times. So this is nothing but 3 power n by 2 is equal to 3 power 6. So n by 2 is equal to 6. So n is equal to 2 into 6, 12. So the correct option is 2. Next question is, which term of the AP 21, 18, 15 and so on is minus 30? So the nth term of arithmetic progression is given as minus 30. So the nth term Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to minus 30. So we have to find the n value. From the given arithmetic progression, the first term T1 is equal to a is equal to 21 and the second term T2 is equal to 18. Now find the common difference. D is equal to T2 minus T1, which is nothing but 18 minus 21. So the common difference D is equal to minus 3. Substituting A and D values in this relation. So A is 21 plus n minus 1 into D is minus 3 is equal to minus 30. So this is nothing but minus 3 into n minus 1 is equal to minus 30 and minus 21. This is minus 51. So minus minus get cancelled. 3 17 are 51. So n minus 1 is equal to 17, which is nothing but n is equal to 18. So the correct option is 2. Next question is, in AP, sum of n terms Sn is equal to. For arithmetic progression, sum of n terms Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So the correct option is 1. Next question is, if a comma b comma c are in GP, then a by b is equal to. From the given geometric progression, first term T1 is equal to a, second term T2 is equal to b, third term T3 is equal to C. For geometric progression, the common ratio R is equal to T2 by T1 is equal to T3 by T2. So T2 is B, T1 is A is equal to T3 is C and T2 is B. So we have to find A by B. So we have B by A. So nothing but A by B is equal to B by C. So the correct option is 1. Next question is, if A, B, C are in AP, then B minus A is equal to. From the given arithmetic progression, T1 is equal to A, T2 is equal to B and T3 is equal to C. The common difference D is equal to T2 minus T1, which is equal to T3 minus T2. So T2 is B, T1 is A, so B minus A is equal to T3 is C, T2 is B. So we have to find B minus A. B minus A is equal to C minus B. So the correct option is 2. Next question is, sum of natural numbers from 1 to 100. We know sum of n natural numbers from 1 to n, s is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on plus n is equal to n into n plus 1 divided by 2. We have to find sum of natural numbers from 1 to 100. So n is equal to 100. So sum s is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2, that is 100 into 100 plus 1 divided by 2. So this is equal to, this is 50 times. So 50 into 101, which is equal to 5050. So the correct option is 4. Next question is, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus and so on n terms is equal to. Writing 1 comma 1 comma 1 comma and so on up to n terms as arithmetic progression, the sum of n terms Sn is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus and so on up to n terms. According to arithmetic progression, the sum of n numbers is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here first term T1 is 1 and second term T2 is also 1. So the first term A is equal to 1 and the common difference D is equal to T2 minus T1. So D is equal to 1 minus 1. So D is equal to 0. Now substituting A is equal to 1 and D is equal to 0 in Sn. So Sn is equal to n by 2 into A1 plus n minus 1 into d, d is 0. So this becomes Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2 plus 0, that is into 2. So 2 get cancelled. So Sn is equal to n. So sum of the n terms is n. The correct option is 3. Next question is, 1 plus 3 plus 6 plus 10 plus and so on n terms is equal to. For n is equal to 3, the sum of 3 terms s is equal to 1 plus 3 plus 6 is equal to 10. Now we will check which option is right. For n is equal to 3, the sum becomes 10. Now substitute n is equal to 3 in option 1. So 3 into n plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4, n plus 2, 3 plus 2, 5 divided by 4. So 4 get cancelled. This 3 into 5 is 15. The sum becomes 15. But actually we should get sum is equal to 10. So option 1 is wrong. Substituting n is equal to 3 in option 2. So 3 into n plus 1. 3 plus 1 is 4 into n plus 2. 3 plus 2 is 5 divided by 8. So 4 2 times is 8. So 3 into 5, 15 divided by 2, which is equal to 7.5. So in option 2, if n is equal to 3, the sum becomes 7.5. But actually sum should be 10. So option 2 is wrong. Substituting n is equal to 3 in option 3. 3 into 4 into 5 divided by 6. 3 2 times 6, 2 times is 4, so 2 into 5 which is equal to 10, so sum is 10, so the option 3 is right. Next question is, if the second term of an AP is 4 and sixth term is 16, then its 11th term is. The nth term of an AP is Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. It is given that the second term T2 is equal to A plus 2 minus 1 into D is equal to 4. So A plus D is equal to 4. Write this as equation number 1. It is given the sixth term is equal to 16. So T6 is equal to A plus 6 minus 1 into D is equal to 16. So A plus 5D is equal to 16. Write this as equation number 2. Now subtract equation number 1 from equation number 2. So that is 2 minus 1. So A plus 5D is equal to 16. A plus D is equal to 4. So we are subtracting equation number 1 from 2. So minus minus minus. So A minus A get cancelled. 5D minus D is 4D. And 16 minus 4 is 12. So D is equal to 3. Now substitute D is equal to 3 in equation number 1. So A plus D is 3 is equal to 4. So which is nothing but A is equal to 4 minus 3. So A is equal to 1. So the 11th term T11 is equal to A plus 11 minus 1 into D. So we know the values of A and D. So A is 1 plus 10 into D is 3. So this is 30 plus 1. So T11 is 31. So the correct option is 4. Next question is, which term of the AP 24, 21, 18 and so on is the first negative? From the given arithmetic progression, the first term A is equal to 24 and the common difference D is equal to T2 minus T1. Second term T2 is 21, the first term T1 is 24. So the common difference D is equal to minus 3. The nth term of the arithmetic progression is Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So we have to find the value of n such that Tn becomes, the nth term becomes negative. So we have to find the smallest n value for which the Tn becomes negative. That is the first negative in the given series. So Tn less than 0 implies A plus n minus 1 into D less than 0, where A is 24 plus n minus 1, D is minus 3 less than 0. So now this is 24 minus 3 into n minus 1, that is minus 3n, minus 1 into minus 3 is plus 3 less than 0, which implies 27 less than 3n. In other words, 3n should be greater than 27. So which is nothing but n should be greater than 27 by 3. So n should be greater than 9. So the smallest value of n which satisfies n greater than 9 is n is equal to 10. So the 10th term is the first negative in the given series. So the option 1 is correct. Next question is, if A is equal to 2 and D is equal to 2, then S15 is equal to. Given first term A is equal to 2 and the common difference D is equal to 2. So we have to find out the sum of the first 15 terms, S15. So this is nothing but it is an arithmetic progression, AP. The sum of n terms for arithmetic progression is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. For sum of 15 terms, n is equal to 15. So substituting n is equal to 15, a is equal to 2, d is equal to 2, then S15 is equal to 15 by 2, 2a, 2 into 2 plus n minus 1, 15 minus 1 into 2. So which is equal to 15 by 2, 2 into 2, 4 plus 14 into 2, 28, which is nothing but S15 is equal to 15 by 2 into 32. So 16 times. So 15 into 16 is equal to 240. So the correct option is 3. మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ కొరకు మ్యాథ్స్ అండ్ టెక్ బై విఎన్కే యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ని లైక్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. న్యూ వీడియో నోటిఫికేషన్ కోసం బెల్ ఐకాన్ని క్లిక్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్ మై వీడియో.